Of Tekelamjung Higher Secondary School to kindly
Lapuge hanan itu mulai ya. Binige ok ăn thử pije.
Là ok đâu là rồi.
Lagi ok.
Ini lagi hả?
Iya. Đây cái gì đó.
Ôi sao bài
Cái đó mà đi. Hả?
bài số là bài hả?
Vâng cô.
will be followed by welcome address by Principal Tekelamjung Higher Secondary School. So, as I have already announced the agenda of today's program, so without wasting any time, I would like to begin with our first agenda, that is reception of guests. So we have already received our guests. So I request my colleagues of Tekelamjung Higher Secondary School to kindly get prepared with the felicitation program. So firstly, I would like to request the staff of Tekelamjung Higher Secondary School to kindly felicitate our honorable chief guest, Sri Raju Kiso, Executive Member in charge of Sericulture and Cooperative, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, to felicitate him with Karbi Poho. Next, we would like to felicitate our invited guest, Sri Rutin Rompi, Principal of Principal of Rising Sun English School, Tekelamjung. Sri Kangburati Mung, Social Worker of Tekelamjung Higher Secondary School, to kindly felicitate him with Karbi Poho. Dulay itu Tamuria. Amar Tekelamjung Motor Menurut Mas Korbi, Boni Korbi, Tamuria.
Principal sir, আৰু এই নগাগত আদৰণিলৈ আমন্ত্ৰণ কৰি অনা অতিথিবৃন্দ, আজি এই দিনটো আমাৰ journey as you have entered. Congratulations once again on your success. Okay, respected chief guest and all the dignitaries present here, we are very thankful to have you today on this auspicious program. So, I would like to express my best compliments to all the newcomers and all the freshers students on this Freshers Day of 2021. And I'm very privileged to stand before you all to give this speech on the farewell program.
cái Charlie là gì cái Charlie là gì Paul cái protect là gì Paul